The installation program has a cleaner appearance and a more intuitive UI. The functions enabled are highlighted in orange. Right-click on the mouse and select Display Settings. Select Appearance to view theme. Select Mouse Touchpad for relevant settings. Click the icon and select Preferences. Toggle on the Expandable Folders in List View option. You can see that the files has been folded. Right-click on the mouse and select Open in Terminal. Enter unarm R to confirm the kernel version. Click on Settings and select About. The Ubuntu dock now displays Account Badge. Now pending updates are silently downloaded.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.